is Yopna Saraswat, roll number 180, and I'll be discussing the mid-sagittal section of female pelvis. So I'll be dealing it with this diagram. So what are the structures that would be present in the female pelvis? So we know that these would be the end portion of the digestive system, that is the sigmoid colon, and the rectum, which opens outside the body through the anus. Then there would be urinary bladder. This urinary bladder consists of two ureteric orifices through which urine collects in the urinary bladder, and this is the trigone of bladder, and it leads to the formation of urethra. This is uterus, and uterus is connected to the ovary by the fallopian tube. The ovary is suspended by two ligaments, that are the suspensory ligament of ovary, which contains the ovarian vessels, and the other one is the ligament of ovary, which connects the ovary to the posterior surface of uterus. The uterus have the round ligament as well, and this round ligament passes through the deep inguinal ring, and it is finally connected to the labia majora. What are the other things that we could locate? So these are the recto-uterine pouch of Douglas, and there is also the vesico-uterine pouch as well. We could also locate over here, there would be left ovary and uterine tube which are cut, and then it would lead to the uterus. So here we can see the fallopian tube cut end, the ligament of ovary cut end, and also the round ligament of ovary cut end. This uterus leads to the formation of cervix, and then finally through the vagina opens outside the body. This is the bone pubic symphysis, and behind there would be sacrum. And we know that the pubic symphysis, there is the inguinal ligament, and this is the round ligament of uterus. Now let's study about that dissected image of female pelvis. So what we can see in this dissected image is, these are the coils of intestine, and this is rectum. Rectum opens outside the body through the anus, and this is the uterus, and this uterus leads to cervix, and finally through vagina opens outside the body. This is urethra, and this is our urinary bladder. This is pubic symphysis and sacrum bone. This is all about the mid-sagittal section of female pelvis. Thank you.